Welcome to this brief lecture on color theory, an essential concept in interior design. We'll explore how colors can influence the atmosphere of a space, creating desired moods and enhancing the overall design. Color theory involves understanding how colors are perceived and their ability to evoke different moods. Key elements include hue, saturation, and value, which define a color's basic identity, intensity, and lightness or darkness. Colors significantly impact our emotions and behaviors. For instance, blue often represents calmness, while red can evoke passion and energy. Understanding these associations helps in creating desired emotional responses in spaces. Color theory is crucial for creating harmonious and visually appealing designs. Artists and designers use these principles to craft everything from paintings to websites, ensuring colors work together to enhance visual experiences. Interior designers use color theory to craft environments that reflect specific moods and concepts. By strategically using single, double, or triple color schemes, they can achieve the desired ambiance in a space. Monochromatic color schemes use variations of a single hue to create unity and harmony. By varying shades, tints, and tones, designers can craft sophisticated, calming, or modern looks, depending on the chosen color palette. Accented color theory involves using a single color to highlight specific design elements. This technique creates focal points and adds visual interest, often using a small percentage of vivid colors against a neutral backdrop. Neutral colors like beige, cream, and taupe are versatile and create cozy, balanced interiors. They serve as smooth backgrounds, allowing for a variety of looks from classic to contemporary while maintaining harmony. Analogous color schemes use colors next to each other on the color wheel, creating harmony and unity. These schemes are often found in nature, evoking feelings of peace and balance in design. Complementary color theory uses opposite colors on the wheel to create strong contrast and energy. This approach is ideal for dynamic and exciting designs, adding vibrancy and movement to spaces. Split complementary schemes offer a subtle contrast by using colors adjacent to the complementary hue. This method balances harmony and contrast, often found in nature, and evokes beauty and tranquility. Triadic color schemes use 3 evenly spaced colors on the wheel, creating vibrant and dynamic effects. These schemes are perfect for energetic environments, such as children's play areas or modern art spaces. Interior designers often use monochromatic schemes for unity, accented colors for emphasis, and neutral tones for coziness. Each approach serves a unique purpose, enhancing the overall design and mood of a space. Understanding color psychology is crucial for designers. Colors like blue and green can calm, while red and yellow energize. This knowledge helps in crafting spaces that align with the intended emotional impact. Designers use complementary and split complementary schemes to create visual interest. These approaches balance contrast and harmony, making spaces feel dynamic yet cohesive, suitable for various design contexts. Analogous schemes are ideal for creating serene and harmonious environments. By using colors with similar hues, designers can evoke natural tranquility, making these schemes perfect for relaxing spaces. Triadic schemes are vibrant and full of life, often used in playful or artistic settings. By balancing 3 distinct colors, designers can create spaces that are both exciting and visually balanced. Accented color schemes focus on highlighting specific elements within a design. By using a bold color sparingly, designers can draw attention to key features, adding depth and interest to a space. Neutral colors provide a versatile foundation for any design. They can be paired with bold accents or used alone to create a sophisticated and timeless look, making them a staple in interior design. Color theory is not just about aesthetics, it's about creating environments that support well-being. By understanding how colors affect mood, designers can craft spaces that enhance comfort and functionality. Incorporating color theory into design involves strategic planning. Whether aiming for relaxation or stimulation, the right color choices can transform a space, making it both visually appealing and emotionally supportive. Thank you for exploring color theory with us. By applying these principles, designers can create spaces that are not only beautiful, but also enhance the well-being of those who inhabit them.